Did you know you can actually unlock any emote in Clash Royale, even the rarest ones, without spending a single gem? Most players have no idea this trick exists, but I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open Clash Royale and head to the Shop section. Scroll all the way down to the Emote deck. If you tap View All, you'll see every emote in the game, including the exclusive ones from past seasons. Now here's the secret. When there's a special challenge or event, Clash Royale often gives free emote rewards hidden behind event milestones. If you miss them, don't worry, you can still get them. Go to the emote offer rotation in the shop. It changes every 24 hours. But if you connect your Supercell ID and play the Party or Trophy Road modes, the game automatically adds rare emotes back into your rotation faster. That's how players farm every limited emote. So now you know how to get any emote in Clash Royale, even the legendary ones. Try it out, and if this helped you, drop a like and subscribe, because I've got more secret Clash Royale tricks coming next.